Good morning, you beautifuls. Welcome back to the Daily Diag by Handthorns Performance. I'm still not a morning person. We're at the gym. We're getting ready to go inside. But I want to do this real quick. So today we're going to talk about crank no starts. So just like the last one, how would you go about diagnosing a crank no start? What kind of questions do you have? Put it in the comments. Get a hold of me. And then after work today, later on, I'll put my response and make a video about how I would go about it and what my plans would be. So thanks for checking in. Get with y'all later.